So we're going to be making masala chips. It's very quick, very easy to do. There's literally 4 steps. So you have your chips. You fry your chips. While your chips are frying, get a red onion. Cut the red onion. You'll need about half. Chop the red onion. If you want it spicy, a couple of green chilies. If you don't want it spicy, you can leave it without the green chilies. Cut them into little bits. So when your chips are done, drain out. Put them in a bowl. So your red onions, just make sure you've got them in pieces. Just make sure you break up the red onions. And your green chilies. There. Some coriander, a little bit of coriander. Then this is where the main flavour comes into it. So you've got your cha-cha-chat spice, which we do. About a teaspoon. If you want it a little bit more chili, some chill chili powder you can put. If you don't want it, if you think the green chilies are enough, that's fine. Just a little bit in there. Make sure you put no salt. The cha-cha-chat spice has got enough salt. It will be too salty, so do not add any salt to this. And all you do, you're mixing it up. Make sure all the chips gets coated with the spice. So when you have a chip, you can taste the flavour. So nice, good mix. And then you just serve it out. Like so. You can add a little bit more coriander on top for decoration. And there you have it, masala chips. This tastes very similar to a thing I had in Chittagong in Bangladesh. And when I went there as a young boy, outside the mosques and stuff, there was people selling it called sanasur, which is like nuts and like a Bombay mix. So the Bombay mix flavour is actually, we've implemented it into the chips. So we've infused sort of Bangladeshi style with English sort of chips. And it's the same sort of flavour.